Welcome back to the Barber Mosaic. I am Maurice, and today we're going to be unboxing the Godox AD200 flash. Stay tuned. As you can see, man, it comes in a really solid packaging. Box look nice. It's very premium, has a very premium look to it. So we're going to go ahead and get it open. And you're going to get your standard, paperwork and whatnot, things that I very rarely, if at all, pay attention to. Like, I'm ready to get to it. So we're going to get this stuff out of the way. Now we have the box, and I like how it has its own separate, carrying case. It feels really good in the hand, something that I can definitely carry and travel with if need be. By looking at this, I can tell that the flash is already going to be, small enough for me to carry. It's going to be a compact flash, so that's already pretty dope. So open it up. See, we have the charger. The first thing we have, and very premium quality feel, man. I like the way that is. You have the light indicators on there that tells you if it's charged. Then you have the battery, pretty hefty battery there. You take that cap off and you can fit that right into the charger. It goes in there very easy. Then we have the bulb attachment, and there's also a piece that goes to it in there. There it is, so that you can attach that, like take the one mount off of the flash, and you can attach those two together, and then you can put that on the Godox flash. And then here, this is an attachment that you can use on your tripod. Very helpful to have as many of those things as possible, man, because you can get a lot of different angles. And there's the AC cord that goes in there, fairly easy. And here's the flash, man. And very compact, very light. It has those 3 holes on the sides so that you can, hook. You can put it on a stand. Bro, this is a really solid build quality flash, man. This flash is like $2.99, so very good bang for the buck, man, if you want to jump into that flash photography for the first time. So really good, really good. This has been the unboxing of the AD200 Godox flash. I'm going to take it out, I'm going to use it as much as possible, and I'm going to report back and tell you what I thought about it, give you my full review on the flash. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Coming at you with a lot more product reviews, vlogs, life, everything. So this has been the Barber Mosaic. I am Maurice. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all on the next video. I'm out.